Composite analysis in SOLIDWORKS Simulation gives you a variety of options in terms of setup and post-processing capabilities specific to composites. Let's look at this tutorial model together. The fixtures, loads, and contacts have already been set up for us. We are going to focus on the composite definition. Surfaces was used in this model, but you can also start with a thin extruded part. Right-click on the surface body and select Edit Definition. Then select the Composite option. You can define a sandwich option, a symmetric option, or define your own set of angle configurations for all of the different layers. Enter the number of layers and specify material. In our case, all the plies are made of the same material. To define a custom material, right-click on a category and select New Material. This is going to be orthotropic. Specify units as pascals and enter the material values of your material. Pause the video if you are replicating these steps on your end and enter the values that I have. Then enter the angle of each ply and its thickness. Click on each ply to see the angle of it. Pause the video and repeat these steps for the second surface body as well. Next is meshing. Right-click on Mesh, Create Mesh, and hit the green check mark. Orange represents the first layer and gray is the last. If any mesh is upside down, select the face of it, right-click on Mesh, and select Flip Shell Elements. Notice the zero thickness of the mesh elements. Let's go ahead and run the study. The 1 Mises stress results are magnified and displayed only for layer 1. Let's switch to a different layer and the results look different. We can also look at the maximum stress across all the layers. Another option unique to composites is the interlaminar shear stress between plies. Right-click on Results and define a new stress plot. From the drop-down, select interlaminar stress. Lastly, failure criteria unique to composites is also available. Right-click on Results and select Factor of Safety. Here you can select Psi-Hill or Psi-Wu criteria and check the factor of safety with respect to them. There you go then. That was a quick recap of composite analysis capabilities in SOLIDWORKS Simulation. Thank you.